J. Thomson, an English scientist, just after the discovery of electrons and protons, proposed the first ever atomic model in the year 1904. Thomson's atomic model was also called as plum pudding model or the watermelon model. The embedded electrons resembled the seed of watermelon, while watermelon's red moss represented the positive charge distribution. The plum pudding atomic theory assumed that the mass of an atom is uniformly distributed all over the atom. Thomson proposed that the shape of an atom resembles a sphere having a radius of the order of 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. The positively charged particles are uniformly distributed with electrons arranged in such a manner that the atom is electrically neutral. Hope you understand the Thomson atomic model. In the next video, we will see the Ernst Rutherford model.